Sige na, oh. Bigyan niyo na ako ng heart, oh. Thank you for follow. Mwah! Very good naman nagpa-follow na yan. Hi! Warap ka dyan. Magbigay ka naman sa akin, ano. Bigyan niyo na sa akin yan. Pagbigyan niyo na ako, guys. Okay, Jay. I will follow back you. Thank you, Jay. Ay, Jay, accept me because you are private account. Jay, accept me, Jay, because your account is private. So, you will accept me, huh? I will, okay. Follow me back. Hold on. You accept me, huh? Because your account is private. Thank you, Jay. Thank you sa pag-accept. Thank you for accept my follow back. Ang sino to? Hi, Mark. Thank you for follow, Mark. Yan yung gusto ko. Nag-heart me. Very good yan, Mano. Ay, Mono. Ba't Mono yung pangalan, no? Akala ko. Thank you. Yan yung gusto ko. Pinapalusog-lusog yung ano ko. Thank you, Jay. Thank you for accept my follow. Oo. Different ka pa nalalaman, Jo. Ikaw ba, Jo? Ano na, Jo? Thank you for like, guys. Thank you. Sino yan? Sige. Where you from? Meow. Thank you for meow. I'm from Philippines. So, you. How about you? Thank you for meow. Oh my gosh, my baby. Sorry, baby. Hi, Hamo. Okay, thank you for follow. Guys, I don't have... Oy, sorry, baby. Hey, are you mad? Sorry. My gosh, my heart. Sorry. Hey. Okay. Wala, I don't have. I don't know. No. Thank you for follow, guys. Hi, Mike. Okay. Bawal. No. I'm Nueva Ecija. And how about you? Ay. Wala. No, I'm not Ilocano. I don't know that language. Guys. Okay. Guys, follow this account, guys. Follow this account on my comment pin. Yeah. Guys, follow this account. Guys. Hey, pag hindi niyo ako sinunod, follow this account, guys. Follow this account. Sige, pag hindi kayo nag-follow dyan. Thank you for follow. Hi, baby. Amu. Thank you for heart. You love me. Thank you for heart. Mom. Oh. Okay, guys. Ay, saan ka? Sa ano, kuya? Sa Muñoz. Sorry, I'm always absent because I'm very lazy to go on school. No way. Oh, ganon. Okay. I don't have that. It's only Insta and secret. That's all my account. Don't follow the poster, guys. You know my poster? Hindi po. University. Yeah. Guys, follow this account, guys. Guys, kaibigan ko yan. Kaibigan ko yan. Guys, follow this account. Follow this account. Sino pag gusto magpa-follow dyan? At ipipin ko. Follow this account, guys. My school is on university. Ano? Thank you, guys. Thank you for follow me. My school is, thank you for heart. You love me? Oh, okay, follow this account. Follow this account, guys. Pag hindi niyo yung pinalo. Wala po. I don't have that. Sorry. Ay, alam ko yan. I know that, Kalapan. Nakapunta na ako dyan. Diyan, syempre, dyan yung barko. Barko! I don't have lipstick. My lip is dry. Hi, Dave! Good morning, Dave! How are you, Dave? Dave, papalo nga nito, guys. Ay, Dave, papalo po nito. Follow this account, guys. Thank you. Follow this. Kuya Dave, papalo po to. Papalo. Hamo. Thank you. Sino pa gusto ma-pin dyan, ipapapalo natin dito. Sabi lang kayo, thank you for joining my live. Alaala mo sa akin ay gumugulo. Sino yan? Sige, pin nyo lang yung baby. I need to be. No! Hi, sino ba yan? Call my name. Don't. Sino yan? Call my name, ha? Call ka dyan, nalalaman. Oh my gosh! I'm so tired, guys! Baby, I need you. Oh, why you need me? Hey, I don't know you. Don't call me baby because I'm not your baby. Char. Joke lang. Sige, bibihin nyo ako. Mga ganyan kayo, ah. Okay. Don't call me, huh? Sige, kuya. Hamu, why you are mad to me? Don't mad. You are my only baby. Kayo din, babyhin ko. Ay, I want... No! I don't want you. Because I don't know you. Thank you for follow me, guys. Thanks. Ang galing. So nice. Asan kuya? Paano ma-moderator ka? Kuya David. Bro. Paano, kuya? Hindi ko alam, kuya. Paano? Kuya, paano? Kuya, bro. Kuya, paano magawang moderator? Oh my gosh. Kuya, hindi ko alam. Asan? Tapos, pipindutin ko. Wait lang. Wait, guys. I add my moderator. Ay, okay. I see. Ala, kuya. Ayaw, kuya. Hindi makita. Your name. Ay, okay na. Ay, iba pala yung mo, kuya. Okay, guys. Follow me na lang, guys. Follow me. If you don't follow me, okay, bye. Wait, kuya. Saan ba yun? Oh my gosh. Okay na, kuya. What is that language? My language is Filipino. Tagalog. It's not English, but sometimes isa lang. Cupcake, hi, Cupcake. How are you, Cupcake? Okay, I'm done. Guys, follow me. Don't talk to me if you don't follow me, ah. Thank you for heart. Very good. I don't know you, Cupcake. Thank you for like so many like, guys. Ang galing. Clap, clap, clap. Oh my gosh. Hi, Jeremy. Cupcake, ha? Who you, Cupcake? My mom is go on outside, so I'm the one on here on my home. Oh my gosh. Talaga ba? Paano mo nasabi? How you tell that? Okay. Ay, sorry po. Sorry. It's not my fault. It's your fault because your volume is so... Okay. Wag na. Joke lang yun. Huwag kayo maingay. It's a joke! It's a joke! Ayaw ko. I'm okay. I'm good. Yeah. What's that, Hamu? What's that? I don't know the JFB. What's that? I don't know that. Wait, I will